Color theory is a conceptual framework used to understand and create harmonious color combinations. It involves the study of how colors interact with each other and how they can be combined to create pleasing visual effects. Here are some basic concepts in color theory. Primary colors. 1. These are the foundation of all other colors. 2. In traditional color theory, the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. 3. These colors cannot be created by mixing other colors together. Secondary colors. 1. These are created by mixing two primary colors together. 2. The secondary colors are orange, red plus yellow, green, yellow plus blue, and purple, blue plus red. Tertiary colors. 1. These are created by mixing a primary color with a neighboring secondary color. 2. Examples include red orange, yellow green, and blue purple. Complementary colors. 1. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel. 2. When placed next to each other, they create strong contrast and reinforce each other. 3. Example pairs include red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. Analogous colors. 1. Analogous colors are located next to each other on the color wheel. 2. They usually match well and create serene and comfortable designs. 3. An example is blue, blue-green, and green. Triadic colors. 1. Triadic color schemes involve three colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. 2. This scheme is popular among artists because it offers strong visual contrast while retaining balance and color richness. 3. An example is the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. Split complementary colors. 1. Similar to the complementary color scheme but uses two adjacent colors and their complement. 2. This provides high contrast but less tension than the complementary scheme. 3. For example, combining blue with yellow orange and red orange. Tetradic colors, double complementary. 1. This scheme uses four colors together in the form of two complementary color pairs. 2. It provides a rich color palette with lots of possibilities but can be challenging to balance. 3. An example is combining red and green with yellow and purple. Monochromatic colors. 1. A monochromatic color scheme uses variations in lightness and saturation of a single color. 2. It creates a harmonious look but may lack the diversity of other color schemes. Neutral colors. 1. Colors like black, white, gray, and brown are considered neutral. 2. They can be used to complement other colors or serve as a background to make other colors stand out. Understanding these basic color theory concepts can help in creating visually appealing designs, whether in art, graphic design, fashion, or any other creative field.